Welcome to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi, and today we're going to do a set for Glinda to go with the set we did for Alphaba. We're going to start with this pretty pink by Gelixir. It's just going to get one coat, and you're really not going to see it in the end. It's just our base. On top of that, we're putting that MakyBling transfer foil gel. I'm still loving that, and today's set doesn't change my mind. It is really, really beautiful stuff. Sorry for the occasional dip below the camera line. These things happen. Excuse me. So we're putting down this real pretty pink marbled foil. Super gorgeous, super girly. This definitely is a set for all my pink girls out there. If you're feminine and you love pink and you love girlying it up, this is the set for you. We channeled Glinda with this set. I looked at a few of her outfits, I got the vibe, and decided this was the channel that we were going to turn on. There we go. So we're doing some layering this time. We're going to put this pretty floral lace on top. Sorry for the I like it because it's white. I think pink and white are perfectly Glinda colors. And I really like how the marble shows through in the different colors. It gives it a lot of interest. And I think it came out super pretty. Now to protect that, we're going to come in with a beautiful base coat. We're definitely relying on our base coat today. We're doing a lot of things with it. So once we get that base coat, we're popping that into the lamp. This is a top coat though, because we're going to sugar this with that pretty bar glitter that you see up there. Really gorgeous. And it's going to look kind of like a fuzzy sweater in my mind. And I think Glinda would definitely be a fuzzy sweater girl. And I just knew this glitter had to be part of the set. I don't have that much of it, but it doesn't take that much of it for it to be a really good payoff. I need to get to a store, an art store or something, and look for some bar glitter because it's just gorgeous. And when I look for it on Amazon, I can never find it. So I'm mixing up my own glitter polish here with a little bit of base coat rather, and just some real pretty glitter that I have from the brand is Supgift, Supgift. Everything, of course, will be listed below. Wow. Before we get to that, though, we're going to put down another bit of transfer foil with this gorgeous roll. Wow, that was good. With this gorgeous rose pattern. It's a beautiful floral. The pink is perfect for this set. And when I saw it, I knew I had to use it. I have so many transfer foils that I haven't even seen them all. I have so many. And this is probably the first time I ever noticed that rose one. And I just knew that the universe had put it in my face so that it would be used in this set. So here is that gel that we made with the glitter and the base coat. And I like to work in layers when you're working with the glitter just to make sure that the curing happens correctly. I think if you just pile it all on, sometimes you're not going to get a full cure underneath some of that glitter, and you really don't want to wear something like that. So I like to work in layers. If you have a different method, please let us know in the comment section. We need to learn from each other on this channel. I think we should also do a video of viewer tips, of tips that you guys have given me. I'm going to search through my comments and see what I can find. And if you guys start packing the comments with your favorite nail tips, we can do some trial and error or trial and success and see where we get with all that. So hit me in the comments. That would be so much fun. Now, this is a really nice rubbery base coat. And so what I'm doing is just filling all the gaps with that, and holding it upside down and twisting and turning it is your best friend with a situation like that. It helps round everything out and give you less filing. So we're going to do some chunky gems again, but these don't have as much of a point as the ones we did on Elphaba, so we're not going to have room to stick a bunch of things in the gel. So I'm just cutting away the gel that wasn't necessary. That bead was far too big. And now I'm just going to clean the nail and that gem up to make sure we don't have any gel on there. And I'm going to futz with it for quite a while. And I'm going to cut some of that out because it was unnecessary futzing. So we're going to move on where we ring that bigger gem with alternating half pearls and light pink gems. I think it gives a stunning effect, almost like if you were wearing a pretty ring or something, or you had a gorgeous brooch, something like that. And I love that look. We are going to do the ring finger you've not seen because it is exactly the same as the thumb with only one difference, which is the gem is heart-shaped. And it's clear. It's like a clear, shifty sort of gem. So I just felt like it wasn't necessary to show it since you've already seen it right here. But it's exactly the same. Just a little difference in shape. So now we're going to get to our top coat. I am going to top coat. There's, of course, only 4 to top coat. I'm going to save the glitter one for last because we all know we love, love, love the glitter reveal of the top coat. I think I'm going to have to make that a short all by itself because it's pretty. That glitter is pretty. I love chunky glitter. I love pink, just like all my pink girlies. Purple is more my favorite, but I don't shy away from pink. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that glitter reveal. It's a little bit deeper than the other pinks, but I think it gives the set a little punch, a little more fun, right? But this is our finished set. As you can see, that gorgeous heart-shaped gem is perfect on this set. It's very girly, super fun. I think I should have brought it down a little bit more, but you know what? I'm transcending that. We're not going to worry about that. It's a beautiful set, and I bet nobody will notice. Not when you're wearing them anyway. Guys, let me know what you think of this in the comment section. I want to thank you so much for coming by today and watching. You know, I absolutely adore you guys. You're the best. And honestly, the best reason for doing the channel is interacting with you guys and knowing that you're enjoying the videos. So let me know how you feel about the videos in the comment section. Let me know what you thought about this set. Would you wear this set? I think I would wear this set. They're too long for me, but you could shorten them up. You could shorten these up, no problem. Guys, thank you so much for watching again. We're going to see you in the next video. Mwah! Have a wonderful day.